Hi everyone, Deb here again. I have a little itty bitty haul to share with you. I just wanted to let you know I was not happy recently with the quality of the sound, and I was using a microphone that you could clip onto your clothes, but it had a separate thing you could hook onto your pants or whatever. I never hooked that onto me. I always just had it laying on the desk. And then it was through Bluetooth or wireless, I guess. Had a thing that went in the computer. I am now wired. I bought a gaming headset. It wasn't super expensive. I think it was, I don't know if it's because I have Prime, but it was like $35 for this, and it was marked down from something almost $50, I think. It has a built-in mic. It plugs into my computer, which is always here when I'm recording anyway. Next to me on my left, it's a Logitech, and I think the sound is pretty good. It says Cask Gaming Surround 7.1. I don't know. Oh, that's a different language. Maybe there's a one in English. Anyway, um, I'm not a gamer. I used to be years ago, and I used to have something like this, but I don't know what happened to it. It probably wore out or something. Anyway, I'm going to try this again just for doing my videos. So hopefully the sound will be better. So let me know, okay? Let me know. I did a test, little tiny short test video, which you're not going to see, and it seemed like it was better. So I'm moving forward with making videos, and we'll find out. Okay, I had to put that on the floor because it's going to fall. And then I watched a video the other day, and I have done altered composition books, and I have done altered mini composition books, but I never saw altered half-size composition books. And I got these off Amazon. They're 6 to a pack. This one has different covers. I'm not going to open it. This one's all black. These were like 7 something a piece for 6. So they're more than $1 each, but I like the size of these, and I will be altering some composition books in the future because I have a boatload ton of paper and I need to do something with it. So maybe I'll do some December dailies or something like that with those. Okay, so that's it for Amazon. Then I went to Target today, and I already have another video up about planners. This will be my 2024 planner, Day Designer. I love the style of this planner. If you want to see more about that, watch the other video. And I had to get a gift card for someone, um, and I had to pick up like groceries and the planner. So I thought, well, I'll just go through the bullseye spot. They had the bullseye was buy 3 get 1 free. So 25% off base. No, 30. Anyway, I forget how it works out. So the first thing I saw, they had these um, embellishments for Halloween. Look at the little casket thing. Mini potion bottles. And they're $1 each. This one has cats, black cats in it. And there was one with bats. I thought about getting that. Oh, I'm not going to open it because it's all sealed with plastic. But they're basically a bunch of black cat like sequins. You could just glue them down for embellishments, or you can do a shaker and put some other like purple and green or something in there with them, or orange, or all three. So I got one of those, and then as I was walking down the aisle, um, and I had seen somebody else haul these. They had these little bottles. They're a little different. These are just round potion bottles, and these are collectible. This one has 25 little peppermints in it. And I don't know if you can see them. I think they're just plastic. I don't think they're foam. It says peppermints on there. That's cute. They have a bunch of shred in there, but at least you get 25. Honestly, that's quite enough for $1. And then they had some other ones. one I couldn't even tell what it was. It looked like a black apple. I don't know. Maybe it was an ornament, but I got two of the gingerbread, and I'm gonna say these are foam because that little guy is bent like crazy, so he better be foam. And there are, my tag fell off of that one. Let's see, 25 of these too. Yeah, 25 cookies and some shred. So little gingerbread cookies. And I was gonna put one of these back because as I was walking down, I thought, aren't these the cutest socks? I always need socks, and for $1, and even at Dollar Tree now, they're $1.25, right? So $1. I should have got a couple pair of them to just give to my daughter and granddaughters. I may go back sometime. Hopefully they still have some. But anyway, they were buy three, get one free. So I actually ended up buying four. And I don't know, the receipt looked really strange. It looks like they gave each one to me for 75 cents. So three at 75 cents, regular price $1, buy three, get one free. And then they called one of these a figurine set. It must be with the socks. I don't know. I'm seeing four, and then, oh, this month's not, oh no, socks are at the top. Yeah, they charged me $1 for this. And then these four, they put in the buy three, get one free for 75 cents each. 75, it's what, $1.50 and $1.50 is $3. Yeah, so it is $1 off these four. I should have bought one more pair of socks, then maybe I would have got another one for free. Anyway, yeah, my mind wasn't going there, but that's what I got at Target along with some food in my planner, and that's all. I just thought I'd come on. Oh, yeah, I showed you the comp books. Yeah, that's it. I am like behind schedule on my planning. Not my planning, but doing what I planned. So I apologize for that. Like I need to catch up. The weekend messed me up this time because I had to get some yard work done and I got behind and then I just my energy level is not what it used to be. So anyway, that's that. Take care, everyone. I hope you're doing well. Stay healthy in this changeable weather, at least like we're having here. The trees are changing. I might try and do a quick video sometime of the trees. They're not all the way changed yet, but I want to do a video soon because some of the trees have already lost their leaves without really changing much. And others are just starting to change. So it's kind of weird this year. But the temperatures are definitely dropping now, so I expect we're going to have a quick change and then almost winter. So I'm talking too long again, rambling on. Hope you all are well, and I will see you again very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.